In this video, I will show you how to use Meta AI in direct messages in Threads. So for that, first of all, what you'll need to do is open up Play Store. In the search bar, search for Threads. Now from here, check if your Threads has any updates. If there are any updates due, then simply click on Update. And once your app is fully updated, simply open up Threads. From here, at the bottom of the screen, you will see this menu bar. Click on Message icon. Now you're in your DM section. In the search bar, if you simply click here, you can find meta.ai or you could search for Meta AI. Then simply click on it. Click on continue. Now from here, you can chat with Meta AI, you can send your media files, you can make any edits, or you can ask for captions and anything. And that's it. That is how you can use Meta AI in Threads. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.